irregularities in the proposed settlement dispensation. A, it was our expectation that since this matter was before the courts, the government being defendants in the same matter ought to have opened dialogue with our attorneys for a proper settlement to be arrived at. The deliberate exclusion of our legal representatives raises more questions than answers, prominent among these being contempt of court. B, the government selectively washed down our crucial demands as put before the courts. One such demand is the restoration of retirees to their original and rightful pension as provided for in the BDF Act of 1977. C, the unilateral decision on the part of government to provide a partial solution addressing the adjustment of the denominator remains one of the thorny issues. As parties to the dispute, RE was left out of the discussions. Instead, the minister chose to engage with associations of retirees, which in this particular case are not litigating. D, the same government purporting to be working on the modalities of payment runs a concurrent litigation exercise on the same matter. The benefit of us all, the matter before the Court of Appeal is the leave to appeal an interlocutory judgment brought by the government as defendants. Simply put, the sincerity with which the government is approaching this matter leaves a lot to be desired. E, the exact details of the formula to be applied in the payment process have not been disclosed to us. And in conclusion, in looking at the journey taken by the government of Botswana, both within and outside the legal structures, it is quite clear that the retirees are yet to have their pensions issues appropriately addressed by government. It is pertinent to know that the spirit and intention of the BDF Act has always been and shall always be that all retirees must earn a pension, and we pray accordingly. Thank you.
Clarification. We are ready to clarify.